Hello guys, welcome to Homeo Health Care. Today we are going to discuss on the topic lumbar spondylosis. So, it is an osteoarthritic condition of the lumbar spine. Our human body has a vertebral column and proximal to the thoracic vertebrae there are the five vertebrae termed as lumbar vertebrae L1 to L5. Between these five lumbar vertebrae, there will be the degenerative changes or the degenerative disorders will be present. As in the earlier video, we have discussed that the osteoarthritis comes under the degenerative joint disease. So, what pathology will present? This degenerative process gets occurred and initiates in the intervertebral joint. After initiating these degenerative processes, there will be the disc space reduction and formation of the osteophytes. As we know that these osteophytes are the outgrowth of the bone, they will enroach the intervertebral foramen and affects the nerve root canal. Due to this, what will be there? There will be the interference in the functioning of that nerve and the nerve irritations will be more due to this. So, after such pathological changes, what clinical features you will see? There will be the low back pain. Patient कमर दर्द की तकलीफ बताएगा. In the initial stage, this pain will get aggravated only on doing activities. Any kind of movement or any kind of activity is present. At that time, the patient experiences the pain. But as the disease develops, this pain remains persistent. Then, whether the patient is in the resting mode or he is in the working, he will suffer this pain. He will experience the back pain, especially low back pain. And the pain will also be a radiating type of pain. It will initiate from the lumbar region and goes up to either the knee, ankle, or big toe from the posterior side, posterior aspect of the knee. This symptom is also termed as sciatica, as this symptom occurs when there will be the nerve root compression of the sciatic nerve. Irritations present in the sciatic nerve. This indicates the radiating type of pain. And mostly this pain will be unilateral. Either the patient may experience on the left side or on the right side. Also, there will be paresthesia. The paresthesia means the tingling and numbness. It will remain throughout the course of that nerve, which nerve root has got compressed. And this thing will be present with the low back pain. In some patients, the pain of the back may be localized, only it lies up to the back. At that time, we need to rule out some other conditions also, like lumbar spinal canal stenosis, lumbar disc bulge. These conditions should get ruled out. Then, What examination findings will we get here? When a physician examines such patients, firstly they do the straight leg raise test, that is SLR. When this SLR comes positive, it indicates sciatica, compression of the nerve root of the sciatic nerve. There will be the limitations in the lumbar spinal movements. Patient gets restricted in the moving their lumbar spine. These examination findings will be seen in case of lumbar spondylosis and sciatica. And sciatica has other differential diagnoses also. One of them is lumbar spondylosis, but in lumbar disc herniation, also this sciatic symptom comes. So, now what investigations will be there? In X-ray, which is taken in AP and lateral view. What does this shows? There will be the reduction in the joint space. There will be the osteophytes formation. जो इंटरवर्टेब्रल जॉइंट का स्पेस होता है वो रेड्यूस हो जाता है. उसके साथ साथ ऑस्टियोफाइट्स भी फॉर्म हो जाते हैं. एंड there will be the narrowing of the intervertebral foramen. जी फोरामेन असते ती फोरामेन जो होल राहतो तो आणखी छोटा होऊन जातो. That means narrowing of intervertebral foramen. आणि त्याच्यामुळे त्या नर्ववर दबाव येतो आणि ते कंप्रेस होऊन जाते. And there will be the radiating type of pain throughout the course of that nerve. Such radiological findings will be there. Then, what about its treatment part? In homeopathy, after taking a case, after processing case, going through detail in that, what remedy comes up that suits to the patient after administering that medicine after a particular course of treatment, he will get relief from the pain. His symptoms will get reduced. He will not suffer with the much intensity of pain. जब कोई लंबार स्पॉन्डाइलोसिस का पेशेंट एक आता है उसकी अच्छे से डिटेल में केस ली जाती है. केस लेने के बाद उसे प्रोसेस करने के बाद कौन सी दवा ऊपर आती है जो पेशेंट को देने के बाद एक कोर्स ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट के बाद उसको उस तकलीफ से राहत मिल जाती है. उसे उतनी तकलीफ रहती नहीं है. एखादा व्यक्ती एखादा पेशंट ज्याला लंबार स्पॉन्डायलोसिस आहे त्याची डिटेल केस घेतल्यानंतर त्या केसवर वर्कआउट केल्यानंतर कोणती औषध वर निघून येतं जे औषध त्याला दिल्याने त्याला एका कोर्स ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट मध्ये त्याला आराम पडून जातो. त्याला तितका त्रास राहत नाही. ऍज वी से we treat the man in disease and not the only disease in man. आजारात आलेल्या व्यक्तीसाठी औषध देण्यात येतं. So, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.